Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're still in chapter 4, about which the rabbis said in the second chapter of Pirkei Avos, hatred of the other removes a person from this world. Ahavas Yisrael understands this to be referring to both this world and the world to come. And lists many horrific calamities that befall a person who hates others. And based on this Gemara, Rishonim Chachma writes that the majority of the suffering that a person endures is due to this sin. With this in mind, the Chafetz Chaim wonders how a person can be so foolish as to cause himself harm through his own deeds and not distance himself from this deplorable sin of hatred. In Avos de Rebbe Nassan, chapter 12, it is found, the people of Sodom, since they hated one another, the Holy One, blessed is He, destroyed them from this world and the next world. Avos de Rebbe Nassan contrasts the punishment of the Dor HaMabul, generation of the flood, and the Dor HaFlaga, the generation of the dispersion. Both committed grave sins, yet the generation of the flood was eradicated while the generation of the dispersion was not. The difference is that the generation of the flood was lacking in unity, and thus theft and cheating were prevalent, while the generation of dispersion, although the sinners were all united and at peace with one another, hence the punishment for argument and strife is more severe than other sins. The Rishis Chachma cites 3 additional instances in which Hashem forgave the sin of idol worship, but not the sin of strife. First, the people of the generation of Enush were first to serve idols, but due to the peace among them, they were not destroyed. Second, when the Jewish nation as one sinned with the golden calf, Hashem forgave them, and they were not destroyed. But when Korach and his followers set themselves apart from the nation and initiated a dispute with Moshe Rabbeinu, the ground swallowed them and their families. Even young children were not spared. Third, when the tribes of Yehuda and Ephraim fought each other, both were punished, while the wicked Yerovam, who served idols, and Hashem withheld the punishment. Thank you.